Hello, here is Andrea Tau, and in this short video I will present you the reason why I created Automated Training, a business that supports companies of all kinds in the process of training their employees by recording the existing knowledge on videos. Why bother recording on video when it can be saved as text? Because text is not engaging. Imagine how LinkedIn or Facebook would look like if they would present information only in form of text. Did you know that video is nowadays the most consumed type of content on the internet all over the world? According to the reports mentioned in the slide, 54% of the consumers want more videos from the business they support. 85% of all internet users in the USA watched online video content monthly, and 87% of marketing professionals use video as a marketing tool. 82% of the global internet traffic comes from video streaming. 8 out of 10 people have purchased an application after watching a related video, and the internet users spend on average over 6 hours per week watching videos online. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, how much is a video worth? If online videos are so catchy that make people spend almost a working day watching them, and so convincing that it drives them double-dipping into their wallets, why shouldn't we use them to create something more useful, like knowledge and efficient training? The classic training scenario. On the training day, your employee has tasks that are overdue. Plus, he has to deliver important reports, urgent emails to respond, and he's stressed already over his head. How will he focus? How efficient will be his training? But if the company offers the trainings in video format, the employee has the freedom to finish his urgent tasks, to solve his problems, because he can plan his trainings when he has the focus and the state of mind for learning. He can pause a video, rewind and replay at will and according to his needs. The main advantages of video trainings are low cost. The only cost is to record the video, a one-time investment that pays off during the years to come. Time saving. The employee playing the role of the trainer repeats again and again the same information during his work time. Increase understanding. Understanding can be increased by using proper methods and techniques that enhance information retention and retrieval. Flexibility. The video trainings can be consumed anywhere, and the trainee decides when, how slow or how fast he needs to watch the videos. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact us.